Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and opening Google Drive, then signing in to the account you want to use. Once signed in, grant Drive permission to access your photos. This is required for uploads. Make sure cellular upload settings match your data limits. Use Wi-Fi for large batches. Also check iPhone settings right arrow photos and allow Drive to read photos. Without that permission, you can't choose or upload items. Now tap the plus button to begin adding photos to Drive. You'll tap the plus icon, pick Upload, then Photos and Videos to open the iOS picker. From there, select individual images or whole moments. Use two-finger drag or tap select then drag to choose many quickly. Once selected, pick the target folder in Drive, tap the folder name at top to change it, because moving files later is extra work. After confirming, Drive uploads in the background. Watch the progress bar and keep the app active until completion when possible to avoid partial uploads. When uploads finish, open the destination folder and visually confirm thumbnails and file sizes to ensure completeness. Once verified, organize by renaming, moving into subfolders, or starring important photos for quick access. If something went wrong, first check Drive storage quota and your iPhone network. Switch to Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode briefly. Also revisit iPhone settings right arrow privacy, right arrow photos to confirm Drive has access. Finally, retry the upload for failed items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.